That's a little lower, isn't it? Yeah. Do you want it full, like for the?
No, I mean,
So it'll go up. It'll probably go up to about this though.
yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. And then at the other end, it'll be more like for tied up. Do you want a bit of whirly as well, mate?
This is that. Oh, the connection on that mic is dodgy.
It's like a little crackle.
We'll just switch it out, I guess. Like, switch out the mic and the XLR.
I mean, I don't touch it. I don't touch it.
No, we're just going to change it. Maybe. Cool. I turned it off.
Yeah, when
Say it.
it got to live at the end of the solo.
Oh, hang on. We'll wait till one of us back in place because then we can do the monitor levels as well. I'm really enjoying the sound out here.
Yeah, I think so.
Very nice.
Just to make
Good, good.
confidence.
So I guess Plenty of reverb.
Yes, please.
If we could try that as well with jumping.
What I was saying earlier.
Your isolated bit at the start needs to be wetter, I think. A bit more.
Yeah, I said this the other day.
Yeah.
It's just always, yeah.
Yeah, we'll make sure we have enough today.
Ooh, yeah, my, thanks.
Okay, keep going a sec.
Take my hand, 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 take my hand. Take my hand, take my hand, take my hand, ooh, do 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 do, yeah 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 yeah, yeah yeah yeah. Take my hand. feels, baby. Tell me how I'm supposed to know. Tell me how it feels, baby. Because I don't know.
And tell me how it feels, baby. And tell me how I'm supposed to know. And tell me how it feels, baby. No, 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 no. And tell me how it feels, baby. And tell me how I'm supposed to know. Tell me how it feels, baby. No, 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 no. Ooh. And tell me how it feels, baby. And tell me how I'm supposed to know. And tell me how it feels, baby. No, 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 no. And tell me how.
Yep. Monitors are great. Thank you. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2.
So everyone, I got everything I need, so start to hear it, balance up out front. Make sure you have the monitors. Hey Tom. Sounds great today.
1, 2, 2, 2, 2, yeah. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, da, da, da. Sorry, mate, you want a track now?
Yeah, let's do it. The main thing I'm going to mess around with the effects really, so
Okay.
Yeah.
bit of everyone is great.
Can I just take a little bit?
1, 2, 2. Don't hold back, just hold me. We are alone. Entwined we stand silent, we're almost home. Don't hold back, just hold me. We are alone. Yeah, we are alone. Entwined we stand silent, we're almost home. Just on that vocal bit there, I naturally come off mic a little bit when we go in as a 3-part. Is that alright with you? I don't know how much you're riding my vocal there, because if you are, I can always come back a bit. So.
I'm always riding your vocals constantly.
What is that? What are you trying to say? Because my mic technique's not spot on?
No, it's just because, you know, you're giving some stuff
Yeah.
the highlight. It's mainly to stop the cymbals.
Hey, I'm away.
Yeah, yeah.
And you think I shouldn't cough in the middle of it like that again?
I liked it.
It's a new part I'm adding.
Should we just try a little bit of terra firma to get that baked in today?
Or you try it from the start. I've got a different guitar for it.
life tonight. Are you worth the fight? For you, I want you to but I'm sinking fast. Yeah, I'm sinking fast.
Don't care if you want me. I don't care if you need. I don't care if you know.
I don't care if you want.
Don't care if you want.
I don't care if you need.
Don't
Care if you know. The silver wrong inside. You hear me now? Can we ever get back to the way we were before? Let it all fall down. Let it all fall down.
Don't care if you want.
Don't care if you need.
Don't care if you know.
I don't care if you want.
Don't care if you want.
Don't care if you need.
Don't
Care if you know. Now I got this feeling of grievance. She said that she don't believe it. I'm going home. I'm going